color grading HDR footage using traditional tools can be difficult. In older workflows, editors only had 3 color wheels: shadows, midtones, and highlights. That worked fine for SDR footage, but HDR video contains much wider dynamic range and richer color information, which makes those 3 controls too limited. To solve this, Filmora 15 introduces the HDR Color Wheel, giving creators much more precise control across multiple brightness ranges. In this tutorial, I'll show you how this new system works and how it improves HDR color grading. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Step 1. Import your footage. First, open Filmora and create a new project. Import your video clip into the Media panel, then drag it onto the timeline. Select the clip, and on the right side, open the Color tab. At the top, you'll see several color tools like Basic, HSL, Curves, and Color Wheels. Click on HDR to open the new HDR Color Wheel panel. Step 2. Why HDR? Color wheels are needed. Previously, Filmora only offered 3 color wheels: shadows, midtones, highlights. These wheels divide brightness into only 3 broad zones. But HDR footage contains much more tonal detail, including extremely dark shadows and extremely bright highlights. Because the 3 zones are too coarse, adjustments often affect multiple brightness levels at once. This can lead to color interference and imprecise grading. The new HDR grading pipeline solves these issues by dividing the image into more precise brightness zones. Step 3. Understanding the 6+1 brightness zone. Filmora 15 now introduces a 6+1 brightness zone color wheel system. This includes 6 individual tonal ranges: black, the deepest shadows; dark, low light areas just above black; shadow, standard shadow regions; light, brighter midtones; highlight, bright areas of the image; specular, extremely bright reflections or light sources; and finally, there's a global wheel that adjusts the overall color balance. This expanded tonal separation allows creators to control HDR footage much more precisely. Step 4. Using the interactive color wheel. Each wheel uses a 2D polar coordinate color control. When you drag inside the wheel, the direction of the drag changes the hue. The distance from the center controls the intensity of the color adjustment. This makes it very intuitive to adjust the color balance for a specific brightness range. For example, you can cool down highlights slightly, or add warmth to shadows without affecting the rest of the image. Step 5. Exposure and saturation controls. Each brightness zone also includes 2 additional sliders. On the left side, you'll find the exposure slider, which adjusts the brightness of that specific tonal range. On the right side, the saturation slider controls the color intensity within that brightness zone. This allows you to independently adjust brightness and color strength for each tonal area. Step 6. Precise adjustments with X/Y coordinates. For creators who want more precise control, the color wheel also supports X and Y coordinate input. The values range from -0.50 to +0.50, and they update in real time when you move the color wheel. This makes it easier to replicate exact color adjustments across multiple clips. Step 7. Highlighting the affected pixels. Another useful feature is the highlight function. When you press and hold the highlight button on any color wheel, Filmora will show exactly which pixels are affected by that wheel. The affected areas appear normally while the rest of the image turns gray. This makes it much easier to understand which parts of the image you are adjusting. Release the button to return to normal viewing. Step 8. Reset and multi-clip color grading. Filmora also allows you to reset individual color wheel parameters, including X/Y values, exposure, saturation, or you can reset the entire HDR color wheel. Another useful feature is multi-clip color grading. When you select multiple clips, The color wheel displays the values from the first clip, and any adjustments you make will apply to all selected clips at the same time. This is very helpful for maintaining consistent color across multiple shots. The new HDR Color Wheel in Filmora 15 provides much more detailed control for HDR footage. With 6 brightness zones, a global color wheel, exposure and saturation controls, and pixel highlighting tools, creators can now perform more precise color grading directly inside Filmora. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.